G, 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 look at me. I'm the seventh letter, can't you see? Big G, small g, fun and bright. Let's learn the letter G tonight.
G is for giraffe, tall and high. G is for goat, jumping nearby. G is for gift, just for you. Letter G is fun and new.
Right, big G, make a curve. Add a line, you did superb. Right, small g, down and around. Practice G, hear the sound.
G is for